Bakit?
So comfy in the water. Playing in the water. Spinning around.
Gutom ka ba? Ha?
Mahilig ka sa pikita.
Gusto mo one way, two way?
Ha?
Peking duck, sabi mo eh, one way or two way. Hey! Hey, are you a fisherman? Huh? Wearing your fisherman's hat?
Ako na-realize niya may sombrero siya. You're gonna eat the turtle? Are you gonna eat the turtle? Oh no, he's eating the turtle.
So, ito naman ano to? Chinese. Mahilig sa... Ay, kinakain niyang turtle ah.
Oo nga eh.
Very high in cholesterol.
Busy ako.
Hello! Hello! Hello!
Kinikiliti ko siya.
Hello!
Hey, Nancy boy! Busy ako.
Hindi ko makita si Lance.
Ganon?
Nasaan na nagtatago? Lance, hindi ko makita yung mukha mo. Because of your cap.
Here. You see?
There you go. Look at this sunblock here.
Ha?
This sunblock.
Tiga. Okay na.